on everyone, welcome to a little hotel room tour at Aventura. Now I've been staying here for the last 9 days. It's been really good, however a few little gripes about it, but not many to make me not want to stay here. So starting off, coming in from the hallway, you get an all on or all off light switch. So you switch them all on. You get this one right here, which is classed as the vestibule. Adjoining door to the room down there, case holder. Wardrobe is actually quite spacious, so ironing board, iron up there, extra pillows, loads of hangers in that one. You can't get into this one. This one is the air conditioning unit. In this one right here, you've got a little bit of storage up there, and then you've got your safe, which is also quite big. Coffee maker, Skittles, they're mine. Your mini fridge, which works perfectly by the way, so hot. Speaker slash alarm clock setup right here. Desk lamp, which is coming very useful for some of the videos I've made. Air conditioning unit, but you don't even need to touch this. Super long desk. The chair is pretty comfortable for long sessions, but not too long. 3 drawers just here. Setup right there. Your TV on the wall. Then you've got your floor lamp, which is pretty cool to set off some nice mood lighting. You got a lamp at this end of the bed and a lamp at that end. 2 double beds, phone in the middle, a drawer right here, just the one though, and all the drawers and cupboards are soft close. Then you come to this little guy, and this is the iPad that controls absolutely everything. So if you go to home, it's got my name, the room number, Universal Aventura, any messages and stuff like that. You've got about the resort, your room controls, so you can control the lighting in the room. So if you click on floor lamp, I can turn it off and back on. Just by tapping that button right there, you can control the temperature in the room using this, so you can control it and then turn it on or off. It's just turned on, as you can hear. Just turn that off. So you can control your TV, you've got television, YouTube, casting, Netflix, Prime, and of course Hulu. Dining options, your services, internet and tools, and chat with the front desk, and your bill and checkout on an iPort that charges that. This is a Skyline view room. So the view that I've got is of course Sapphire Falls right here, the Maserati down below, that's been the hire car of choice. You got Islands of Adventure with the Hogwarts Castle right here. Then you got City Walks, and across the way there you got Rip Ride Rocket, which is of course Universal, and you can see the globe and stuff overnight, and the NBC television right there. But moving back around, pretty decent walkway. The chair, you think looks a bit hard, it's actually so soft, you start to sink into it. Used that for putting on socks and it was no good really. Then you've got your big massive mirror, place for your towels and stuff like that, toiletries and whatnot. Then you come in and you've got your shower bathtub, a towel holder, your toilet. So have you stayed in Aventura? Let me know in the comment section down below what you thought of it. I think it's pretty special. But thanks for watching guys. Thumbs up if you liked it, subs if you loved it, and I'll see you all in my next video. Take it easy everyone. See you later.